Welcome to the Drum Set Therapy Podcast. My name is Stefano Ashbridge, and this is a show about the challenges that come with playing the drums and what you can do about them so you enjoy your drumming journey. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Playing versus practicing. There is a difference between practicing your instrument and playing your instrument. When you intend to practice, it's tempting to practice for a little bit and then spend the remainder of time playing what you already know how to play well. Although time spent just playing your instrument is good and important, you will improve most through focused, consistent, measured, and specific practicing. Generally, the point of practice is to improve the things you can't play well, and the point of playing is to use what you already know how to do to make music. That's not to say that you should never include playing your instrument as part of your practice time. There is great value in playing and creatively exploring your instrument. Just keep in mind when you are practicing and when you are playing. Thanks for listening. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Till next time.